Imagine having your own personal robot assistant, something akin to R2-D2 or C-3PO, but even more capable. Elon Musk believes this is no longer the stuff of science fiction. With the introduction of Tesla Optimus Gen 3, that futuristic dream is inching closer to reality. While many people are finding daily tasks more exhausting perhaps due to age, injury, or sheer busy schedules, Tesla envisions a world where a personal humanoid assistant takes care of those mundane or physically demanding chores. This robot doesn't get tired, doesn't need breaks, doesn't complain, and learns your preferences all at a cost less than the average smartphone. Tesla Optimus Gen 3 is now being hailed as the first genuinely affordable humanoid robot capable of performing household duties with impressive precision and care. The earlier iteration, Optimus Gen 2, served as a groundbreaking prototype in humanoid robotics but was never meant to be the ultimate solution. Gen 2 included some remarkable technological achievements, such as 22 degrees of freedom in its hands, allowing it to perform basic tasks like picking up plastic cups or boxes. It could sweep crumbs off a table and pour liquids into containers. With a decent success rate, it managed to function at a walking speed similar to a slow jog and was able to carry around 10 kilograms. However, its capabilities were limited when it came to fine motor skills, balance, and sensory feedback. Precision, tasks like threading a needle or sewing, were outside its reach due to a lack of motor accuracy. Moreover, Gen 2's balance system proved unreliable, especially when attempting stairs, slopes, or uneven surfaces. It frequently failed crouching or kneeling actions, which are necessary for chores like retrieving toys or cleaning floors. The robot also lacked tactile sensing, making it incapable of distinguishing between objects like a pillow and a hardcover book. This absence of touch sensitivity often led to errors in handling delicate items. Additionally, its delayed reaction time and limited object recognition, capped at a database of about 100 items, made it unable to adapt quickly to new environments or unrecognized household objects without manual reprogramming. Gen 2 demonstrated great promise, but remained a conceptual prototype, not quite fit for real-world deployment in homes. That all changes with the unveiling of Optimus Gen 3. Rather than being a minor improvement, Gen 3 represents a comprehensive redesign focused on usability, precision, and real-life functionality. Almost every aspect of the robot has been upgraded. One of the most noticeable advancements lies in hand dexterity. Gen 3 now features 25 degrees of freedom in its hands, rivaling the 27 degrees seen in human hands. This upgrade allows it to perform delicate tasks like sewing clothes, threading needles, buttoning shirts, tying shoelaces, and even peeling fruit. Without damaging it, such enhanced dexterity means it can go far beyond the generic folding towels. Capability: it can now tackle tasks requiring fine motor control with over 90% accuracy, including sorting pills or screws by size, shape, or color. This makes Gen 3 not only helpful, but practical for actual handiwork around the house. Another breakthrough with Gen 3 is the incorporation of advanced tactile sensing. It uses a blend of material sensing and real-time force feedback to gain a nuanced understanding of the items it interacts with. This ability to feel enables the robot to differentiate between soft and hard materials and adjust its grip accordingly. For instance, it knows to handle an egg delicately, hold a glass cup securely, or scrub a surface with appropriate pressure. Whether it's managing baby toys or kitchen utensils, this intelligent feedback loop prevents accidents and increases the robot's efficiency. Tasks that were once risky or difficult for robots like opening jars or cleaning textured surfaces are now handled with skill and care. By Gen 3. Mobility has also taken a significant leap forward. Thanks to lightweight actuators and an improved balance system, Gen 3 can now perform full-body movements similar to those of a human. It can walk up and down stairs smoothly, even while carrying loads as heavy as 20 kilograms, double what Gen 2 could manage. It can squat, bend, and reach into tight or low spaces, making it truly useful for household environments. Its walking speed has been upgraded to over 7 kilometers per hour, equivalent to a brisk human walk, and it uses a more natural, energy-efficient gait, equipped with dynamic foot sensors and gyroscopic stabilization. Gen 3 can confidently traverse uneven or slippery surfaces. These refinements give it the ability to clean under furniture, retrieve items from difficult spots, and interact seamlessly with complex home environments. The intelligence powering Gen 3 is another area where Tesla has made monumental progress. Unlike previous versions that needed manual coding, Gen 3 learns tasks by watching first-person video footage of humans performing them. This method of learning, paired with Tesla's neural network 2.0, enables the robot to mimic human behavior with over 95% accuracy. It can quickly adapt to changes in household layout and doesn't need reprogramming for new tasks. Tesla has also infused emotional awareness into the robot by integrating its Grok 3 model, allowing Gen 3 to read facial expressions, body language, and emotional tone. It can respond appropriately, offering a more personalized and empathetic user experience. Conversations with Gen 3 feel fluid and natural, thanks to enhanced voice recognition and language processing capabilities. The robot doesn't just follow orders, it builds a relationship with you by learning your habits, preferences, and routines without requiring any technical input. One of the most impressive aspects of Optimus Gen 3 is its price. At just $5,790, this humanoid robot is more affordable than an iMac and is being positioned as a revolutionary step in personal robotics. Tesla's ability to offer such advanced technology at this price stems from its strategic use of pre-existing components from its electric vehicles, like the Model 3 and Cybertruck. This includes AI chips developed for autonomous driving, efficient electric motors, and sophisticated vision sensors. Reusing these proven components reduces production costs by at least 40%, avoiding the heavy expenses typically involved in developing robotics hardware from scratch. Furthermore, Tesla has managed to integrate robot production into its gigafactory infrastructure. Gigacasters, which are already being used for EV manufacturing, now produce major robot parts with speed and accuracy. This shared production approach significantly cuts labor and material costs, reducing overall expenses by around 35%. Tesla's massive manufacturing scale allows it to deploy cost-saving techniques no traditional robotics company can match. Adding to that efficiency is the internal use of Optimus Gen 3 within Tesla's own factories. Thousands of these units are already performing repetitive tasks like quality control and logistics. This real-world application helps Tesla identify design flaws early and refine the robot's software and hardware before releasing it to consumers. By learning on the job, these robots improve faster, and the engineers receive real-time data that shortens development cycles and reduces errors by over 50%. The AI backbone of Gen 3 is powered by Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, which enables a single end-to-end neural network to manage learning and behavior. Instead of requiring traditional software updates or coding by engineers, the robot learns from billions of hours of video footage featuring human tasks. This self-learning capability makes it adaptable, scalable, and continually improving. As more users adopt Gen 3, the collective data enhances every unit, spreading the cost of AI development across millions of users and drastically lowering the price of high-level robotics. Tesla's ambitious plan to produce millions of these robots by 2030 will only amplify these economies of scale. By spreading the costs of factory infrastructure, logistics, and R&D over a massive volume of units, Tesla aims to reduce the price of humanoid robots below $5,000 in just a few years, placing them within reach of a broader consumer base and outpacing any potential competitors. When comparing cost and value, Optimus Gen 3 stands out even more. While the latest smartphones with accessories can cost upwards of $1,200 annually when factoring in upgrades, accessories, and service plans, Gen 3 is a one-time investment designed to last 5 to 10 years. That brings its yearly cost down to less than $1,160, less than the combined cost of a phone and smartwatch. But unlike a phone, which mainly offers entertainment and communication, Gen 3 performs real physical labor, freeing up your time, reducing your physical strain, and enhancing your lifestyle. It's not just a gadget, it's a long-term solution for daily challenges. In that light, Gen 3 isn't just affordable, it's a valuable investment in convenience and quality of life. Tesla's vision of an affordable, intelligent, and reliable home robot is no longer a distant possibility. It's already rolling off the production line. The blend of hardware, reusability, software scalability, and manufacturing efficiency has brought Elon Musk's dream closer to everyday reality. Tesla Optimus Gen 3 stands as a pioneering force in personal robotics, reshaping how we think about technology, home life, and the role of artificial intelligence in our daily routines. As the world watches, this $5,790 marvel might just redefine what it means to have help around the house.